over. It's almost sunset. As you can see, we're having major fires here. Look at the plume behind me. It almost looks like Hiroshima. There's nothing just explode over there. Oh no, wait, it's the fucking hill's on fire. But the waves sure are coming in. I wish I could somehow get all that water to those fires. And I also wish that these fucking parents would stop macking on each other. Because they've already had enough children to run in the sand while they mack on each other. I'm Tim Mersman for Fox 2 News, Los Angeles.